I am here to discuss what is TTS and STT, or text to speech and speech to text, and how does it help students in school, and what business value does it hold. So let me start. Text to speech is when you uh, transcribe text to speech or text documents to audio. Just when you it you can try to listen on documents, and it enables that.
Welcome to Natural Reader AI Text to Speech, the easiest way to turn any text into audio. Drag and drop your files, or type, paste, and edit text here. Why 10 million users?
STT, on the other hand, or speech to text, does the vice versa of it. It turns audio presentations or audio visualizations into text or documents. So how does it help students in school? So accessibility for all learners. Text-to-speech supports students with visual impairments, dyslexia, or reading difficulties by reading text aloud, improving comprehension and inclusion. So it helps students signif- uh, beneficially. It's beneficial for students with disabilities. And on the other hand, STT helps students with motor disabilities or handwriting difficulties by allowing them to dictate assignments, notes, and essays. So there is no need for students to write notes on paper or manually, as speech to text can actually do that. So enhanced learning and retention. Listening via TTS can reinforce learning by combining auditory and visual channels. So on the other hand, speaking via STT engages active recall, improving understanding and long-term memory. So an example of this is when a student listens to a science article while reading along or dictates the thoughts to generate a rough draft. So it is very clear that that STT and TTS is very beneficial for students who wants to enhance the learning and retention. So TTS also helps students with English as a second language learners hear proper pronunciation, stress, and intonation. So there are levels of stresses. TTS can actually help students to acknowledge and try to distinguish the levels of it. STT, speech to text, lets them practice speaking and instantly see text feedback, improving fluency and vocabulary use. So STT can help students practice their proficiency and efficiency in speaking many languages, not just English but other language they want to learn. So it increases also productivity. STT allows faster note-taking, transcribing lectures, or writing essays by voice. TTS can read lengthy materials while students multitask. For an example as this is when you try to listen to readings while commuting, or there are lectures you wanna learn. Because if there's an exam 1 hour before it starts, TTS and STT can actually help you and save time from studying. So that's it on the first topic. So the second topic is what business value does it hold? So the first one is it enhances accessibility and inclusion. Businesses, schools, and platforms that adopt STT and TTS demonstrate a strong commitment to accessibility. So this attracts wider audience, including people with disabilities or language barriers. It improves the compliance with accessibility laws and standards like the Americans with Disabilities Act or Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. So the value of this is it strengthens brand reputation and social responsibility. Just like in school, STT and TTS also improve productivity in the workplace. STT speeds up workflow by allowing hands-free note-taking, documentation, and communication. So when there is a meeting, there is no need for manual minutes. There is no need for persons who would write notes and important key aspects of the meeting. TTS and STT can actually do that. It's better for customer and user experience. In education and business platforms, TTS can guide users through interfaces or read content aloud, while STT allows for voice commands and dictation. This creates a more natural and user-friendly interaction, improving satisfaction and loyalty. So it enhances customer engagement and retention. It also has a deep data insights and generation. STT systems can analyze spoken data, lecture, meetings, customer feedback to find patterns or insight. Businesses can use this data for quality improvement or product development. It also holds a value for market competitiveness and innovation. Integrating TTS and STT in products or service adds technological advantage and helps companies stand out in digital markets, especially valuable in educational technology, e-learning, customer service, and assistive technology industries. So it boosts innovation image, and opens new market opportunities. So in summary, uh, business aspects and the value of it is expands market reach, promote inclusion, also reduces manual labor and production costs because STT and TTS comes with free. There are platforms, online platforms that have a free TTS and STT. So that's it for this topic, and I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you.